Having trouble with your Sony WH-1000XM6 headphones not connecting, not pairing, or no sound on your any smart TV? Don't worry, let me show you how you can fix this easily. So first you have to try by clear out the old connections. Just go into your TV's Bluetooth list and remove all your saved devices, including your Sony headphones, then try reconnecting fresh. Next you have to check that your headphones have enough charge and charge it around 2 to 3 hours for a fresh start. But if your TV connects easily with another Bluetooth devices, just forget your headphone from your TV. Now restart your TV again. Now for a hard reset, power off your headphone by pressing the power button. And now press and hold the power button and the noise cancellation button about 20 to 25 seconds until the blue light blinking 4 times. Now make it into pairing mode by pressing the power button again 3 to 5 seconds until the blue light blinking continuously. And go to the Bluetooth section, now scanning for available devices. And now you must see your Sony headphones on your TV. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.